In the heart of the storm, where the wild spirits roam, underneath the thick canopy of frost and foam, breathless whispers guide my way. Through the chaos I won't stray. But as the thunder starts to call, I feel the power, I won't fall. Electricity in every breath, I'll face the fury to fight the depths. Thunder in a blizzard, in the echoes cry, as the storm rages on under a moonlit sky. A symphony of chaos, a dance of fate. In this tempest I celebrate. A journey through the shadows of ice, for every heart that sees the light. Resilience, pain, and shades of gray. I'm alive in this wild-bound ballet. The horizon trembles, fierce and bold, with every heartbeat a story told. These icy winds, they sing a song. In the solitude I feel so strong. Break through the barrier, shatter the night. In the eye of the storm I find my sight. When all around me seems to fade, I'll rise from the ashes unafraid. Thunder in a blizzard, in the echoes cry, as the storm rages on under a moonlit sky. A symphony of chaos, a dance of fate. In this tempest I celebrate. Celebrate. And the wizard away, I'll walk through the tempest, I will not fail. With every step the storm shall see that I am the thunder and the blizzard's free. A journey through the shadows of ice, for every heart that seeks the light. Resilience painted in shades of gray. I'm alive in this wild ballet.